Good morning to all. Today I am going to discuss about the parameters of antenna. In the last class we have discussed two parameters. Today I am going to discuss about the third parameter, that is power gain and efficiency. First of all, what is gain? Gain of an antenna can be described as how well the antenna converts input power into radio waves in a specific direction. So gain is used for increasing the effective output power by focusing the radiated signals. Gain can also be defined as maximum radiation intensity by radiation intensity of isotropic antenna, that is U max by U average. So how to calculate this gain in terms of efficiency? So what is efficiency? So efficiency is nothing but P radiated by P in. So always efficiency is less than or equal to 1, because in practical conditions P in and P radiated uh, will not be same. P radiated is always less than P in because there are some losses. So P in is equal to P radiated plus P loss. So if you write in terms of currents, P radiated is equal to I square RMS into RAD. P loss is equal to I square RMS into R loss. So we can write efficiency in terms of radiation resistance as radiation resistance by radiation resistance plus loss resistance. Now I will show you one video so that you can clearly understand what is gain. So an antenna converts electrical power into EM wave. So here consider a bulb as an antenna because we cannot see the radio wave. We cannot see the electromagnetic wave. So consider here light as antenna, and this light is given 1 watt of power, 1 watt of power, and if the radiated power is also 1 watt, then gain will be 1, and if it is in dB it will be 0. So this light radiates the energy in all directions equally. Then technically it is called as isotropic antenna. Suppose we want to increase the gain, so we have to focus the radiated power. So this can be done by placing a mirror to the one side of this bulb. Then the total power is radiated into one direction, that is front side of the bulb, and the gain is increased. So it can be uh, called as equivalent isotropic radiated power, EIRP. So what is 3 dBi? 3 dB means a factor of 2, I means isotropic antenna. We can increase further gain by placing 2 mirrors so that the incoming wave is narrowed, and the EIRP can be further increased to 4 watts and gain is 6 dB. So to increase further gain, we can consider a cone shaped antenna or parabolic shaped antenna, so that the gain will be increased by focusing the light. That means more focusing the light in one specific direction. So this is the concept of gain. Thank you all for your cooperation. Thank you.